Welcome to this guide on how to use the announcement bar in the Vetro Shopify theme. The announcement bar helps you share important messages with your customers, such as promotions, shipping details, or store updates. Section 1. Configuration Options. Let's start with the configuration settings. Color Scheme. Here you can choose the color palette for the entire announcement bar, including the background, text, and icons. Show Separator Line. You can choose to show or hide the separator line. Display Type. Next, choose how your announcement messages will appear. Carousel shows each message as a separate slide. Marquee scrolls the messages continuously in one direction. Carousel Settings. Content Maximum Width. Adjust the maximum width of each slide. Auto-rotate slides. Turn this on if you want the slides to switch automatically. Pause on hover. This pauses the slide when a customer moves their mouse over it. Change slides every. Set how many seconds each slide stays visible. Marquee settings. Speed. Direction. Choose left to right or right to left scrolling. Divider shape. Select an icon to separate each message. Pause on hover. Stops the scrolling when hovered. Section 2. Adding announcement content. Add announcement. Click Add Announcement to create a new message block. Each block represents one announcement message. Basic formatting such as bold, italic, and links is supported. That's it. You've just learned how to configure and add content to the announcement bar